I just want you to look at how amazing this company is. Nut Craving. I am just so blown away. I absolutely love this. This is how it comes. This is how this gourmet nut collection comes, and then you get a card. You deserve something special for your birthday, so you can give that to somebody. I'm always a big fan when a company really cares about user experience, customer experience. I can't wait to try these out. These are going to be so good. But literally, they give you their information straight up. You know how hard it is sometimes when you have an issue or problem or just even a question and you're just trying to find out, who do I talk to? They give it to you straight up right there. They have a call number, live chat, email. They even have a WhatsApp. They're modern. They're just here and now. This is what this collection includes. Look at all these. I am a huge nut fan. Okay, I know that doesn't sound right, but just get your head out of the gutter. Wow, I am so impressed. Are you ready to open this? Holy macadamia nut. Okay, so this bow came off super easy. I'm just gonna line up all of these amazing goodie bags. You have no idea how excited I am. I'm gonna try every single one of these. I promise you. Let's start with the small one. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my God, look at that. We have walnuts in here. Oh, they look like they're kind of salt candy coated walnuts. Again, the list with all the nutritional information is right here, but I want to get to the good stuff. So I'm gonna, OMG, look at these apricots. Oh my God, oh, we have almonds down here. Oh, look at those almonds. Oh, Nut Cravings, you are my new favorite company on planet Earth. Oh, this is so amazing. So amazing. I'm gonna go through each one of these. Holy macadamia nut, what are these? Candied dried, oh, these are the dried kiwi. Oh, I love it. And the walnuts, cranberries, holy mackerel. This is like, I feel like a kid on Christmas. And here we have, speaking of nuts, here we have the cashews. Okay, here's what I want to do. I want to try the pecans. These are so, oh my God, these are my favorite. I'm going to try the pecans. Let me see what they taste like right now. Okay, they literally taste exactly as I thought they would taste. Highly recommend. This would be such an, I know for me, because I'm a nut fanatic. Delicious. Highly recommend. High quality, luxurious, gourmet. Cannot recommend anymore. You've got to give this a shot. If you give this as a gift to somebody, I promise you they will love you for life and appreciate it big time.